If your water heater is older than a decade, showing rust, or costing you more each month, replacement may be the smarter move. Here is how to decide with confidence. Start by checking age. Most standard tank heaters have a practical life of 10 to 12 years, while many tankless units can last longer with proper maintenance. Look at the tank label for the manufacture date or decode the serial number using the maker's website. Next, price the fix against a new unit. If a repair costs more than 1/3 of a new comparable heater, replacing often saves money over the next few years. Inspect for rust on the tank body, discolored hot water, or moisture around the base, since these point to internal corrosion that cannot be fixed. Consider your repair history. If you have needed multiple fixes in the past 2 years, especially for different parts, the system is likely nearing the end. Finally, account for energy use. Newer high-efficiency models can cut utility bills noticeably, so a planned replacement can pay back through lower fuel or electricity costs. Common mistakes trip people up. First, they replace heating elements or thermostats on a tank that already has rust or sediment damage, then face a leak months later. When you see rust in hot water or wet flooring, skip patchwork and plan replacement. Second, they judge only the sticker price of a new heater and ignore installation and venting needs. Ask for a complete installed estimate that includes permits, expansion tank if required, disposal, and any plumbing updates. Third, they overlook water quality. Hard water shortens heater life through scale buildup, so if your unit failed early, add a whole home softener or a sediment filter with regular flushing to extend the next heater's life. We built BigHomeProjects.com to make it easy to connect with local plumbing pros for quotes, installations, and honest advice on replacement versus repair. We also help contractors find real jobs and participate in our discussion community where homeowners and pros share experiences, talk through water heater issues, and trade practical tips that save time and money.